It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XTRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A very disappointing day. Now, disappointing day, keyword there being just 1 day, because when you take a step back and look at the big picture of things, the bulls are still in full control. So I'm going to break that down into two parts. Let's just talk about today as a whole. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, and you can see the opening 30 minutes, the price just came roaring out of the gates. Huge green candle, and I don't, what everybody would agree, yeah, the bulls definitely started off the day very, very strong. No questions about that at all. And then when you look at the remainder of the day, you can see that the price literally went right back to where it all started. I mean, the breakout here happened at 0014, and technically, not only did it go back to where it started, it actually went below where it started, because the breakout happened at 0014, and then the price closed right there at 0013. So today, yeah, pretty disappointing day. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. But looking at more than just 1 day, looking at multiple days, the bulls are still in full control. How can I say that the bulls are still in full control? Well, let's say that the price continues to bounce around 0012, which is right where it bounced off there. And as I've talked about in past videos, it's key level of support. So the price continues to bounce around there and then eventually heads back up. Well, even at that point in time, from, again, big picture perspective, I want to reiterate that I am not talking about things from just 1 day anymore. We're looking at multiple days. You'd still have a big base of lows right here, previous base of lows before, the big move happened there. You look at those as stair steps, and the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So case in point, a very quick way to kind of nutshell, it's a matter of perspective. If you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.33 seconds, then for you, yeah, the chart looks terrible. But if you care about the big picture of things, the bulls are still in control despite the disappointing day today. So all in all, though, the one level of resistance that now is starting to stand out right up here at 0022. There's been quite a bit of price congestion now starting to form right up around that area. You can see there, and then again today. But really, as it stands right now, top priority, not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is ensuring that 0012 continues to hold like it's been doing. So disappointing day, yes, but looking at multiple days, bulls do still have full control, have the opportunity to build that higher overall base, and long term, that's what it's all about, building higher overall lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.